Gabriel Bonfim is set to go down against Nicolas Dalby, and I believe to this day this could be the greatest challenge for Gabriel Bonfim. Nicolas Dalby is an extremely tough fighter. We've seen what he did to Muslim Salikov. He outworked him pretty much easy squeezy, and Bonfim is a knockout artist and a submission specialist. He's defeating everybody in the first round, and I think Bonfim will be fishing for an early finish in this fight. Dalby can win via decision, and Dalby is a guy with very heavy chin, 5'11", 74.5 inches of reach. He comes out of karate, but he's tricky. Lost to Tim Means, defeated Claudio Silva, Warley Alves. Very hard guy to beat. But I still believe in Bonfim and his explosive power. So I'm gonna favor Bonfim for this one. I'm gonna say Gabriel Bonfim via KO, TKO. If Dalby wins, it has to be a decision. He has to guess Bonfim out, which is not gonna be easy.